So he has one
For
bread,
example,
a piece of bread here already.
Put this.
And then you can put cheese. So ayan, kain tayo. Try it guys, bite. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Juby May. And guys, we are going to prepare tapas, yes, for dinner. I am cooking this fresh sausage, guys, for Hailey's dinner. Yes, with bread. Yes, this one. We are going to prepare tapas for dinner, and my husband is going to show you how to make them. Okay guys, so tapas is very typical here in in Spain, right Daddy?
Typical. Let's say, you like this size or?
Yes, this
smaller?
size is perfect.
Okay. So what we do is simple. It's very simple, but it's very tasty, and most of the people like it very much.
Yes. Hailey, Vigila.
So we cut the bread in small or big pieces as you like. Traditionally here in the farmhouses they use bread that was a little bit hard, and they use tomato to make it softer. So this is the origin of Amb Tomaquet.
Yes.
So then we take one tomato, it should be ripened. Like this. We cut the tomato, then we do like this.
And spread the tomato on top or on the bread.
Exactly, like this.
Yummy.
Wait, it's not finished.
Okay.
Because then we put a little bit of salt
And oil.
and then olive oil,
Then olive oil.
like this.
Drizzle olive oil on top. And
And
then
that
you
is-
can put any
And then we accompany that
with
with
Cheese.
cheese, with
salami, chorizo,
ham,
ham.
omelette, meat, what you like. Even vegetables. I hope you like it. Try it at home, it's very easy.
Even.
Okay guys, so we have these Mexican nachos, and we also bought this guacamole, and we are going to have this one. Here are the food that we are going to have for dinner, guys. And Lakota is trying the guacamole. Can you eat it, darling? Show us how you eat. Good? Do you like it? Yes? Okay guys, so yes, we have this. This is a fresh longanisa, guys. Yeah, and this is the dried one or preserved. So ayan, Lakota is eating the fresh longanisa.
You can open it, please.
So this is the bread with tomato na, guys. Yes. So we have these nachos and the guacamole. Yes. And we have ham. This is Iberic ham. This is turkey and cheeses. Yes. So these are the things that we are going to have for dinner. Yes, everyone. So kain tayo, everyone. Kain tayo. Let's
1st
eat.
of August.
1st of August. Yes.
Yoo-hoo.
Okay, everyone, my husband is going to show you how to prepare this tapas. Okay, so he has one
For
bread,
example,
a piece of bread here already,
Put this.
and then you can put cheese and
You can make
turkey.
the combination you like. Hmm?
Yes.
And
Okay,
then-
so that's one. Okay, so that's one. Okay, guys, so I'm going to prepare mine. So I'm going to take this. Our hands are clean, guys. Okay. Okay, and I want this ham, Iberic ham. Okay, so this is another tapas, guys. Yes. So ayan, kain tayo. Try it, guys. Bite. Bite. Open your mouth and try it. Yum, 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 yum.
My heart is open. It just